How to set up your investor account. Log into your eEstate account. Open the Settings section from your Profile menu. Fill in your personal information and contact details and set your profile avatar. Go to Account Security, where you can set a new password. If necessary, reset your PIN code used for financial transactions. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, to secure access to your account. Go to Payment Methods and enter your crypto wallet addresses for transferring funds from your e-wallet to your personal crypto wallet. In the Notifications section, you can turn on or off specific types of email messages from the company. Under Financial Management, you can set withdrawal limits for transfers from your e-wallet to external crypto wallets. Follow the on-screen instructions in your account to complete each setup and confirm your changes via email. eEstate. Invest smarter today.